Turn on subtitles and select your language. Listen and repeat after me.
He was impudent. He was impudent. It's time to depart now. It's time to depart now. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? You took a long time. You took a long time. Keep the room clean. Keep the room clean. He lives separately from his parents. He lives separately from his parents. Keep the household things in their place. Keep the household things in their place. Bolt the door. Bolt the door. Get this coat ironed again. Get this coat ironed again. Make my bed. Make my bed. Have a seat, please. Have a seat, please. This shoe is very tight. This shoe is very tight. You should keep your word. You should keep your word. Your message has just been received. Your message has just been received. I will rest for a while. I will rest for a while. Are you still awake? Are you still awake? I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? Get your utensils tinned? Get your utensils tinned? I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. There is nobody inside. There is nobody inside. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. My maternal uncle has come to see me. My maternal uncle has come to see me. You are taking too long. You are taking too long. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. Put wet clothes in the sun. Put wet clothes in the sun. Get me a glass of water. put wet clothes in the sun.
The coals were burnt to ashes.
The coals were burnt to ashes.
The milk has turned sour.
The milk has turned sour.
I have shifted from the old place.
I have shifted from the old place.
Where does this road lead to?
Where does this road lead to?
We kept talking till very late.
We kept talking till very late.
Your nose is running.
Your nose is running.
There is someone to see you.
There is someone to see you.